I have this theory that rethinking your space can often start with rethinking your furniture. And if you have a great quality piece, it should be easy. So I went to Stoney Creek Furniture to find a dresser that would be versatile enough to move from room to room and perform different functions, whether it's in an entrance or a bedroom or a dining room. Knowing that a lack of storage is always an issue, I gravitated towards a large dresser with 8 drawers called the Alexandra dresser. Not only did this piece have a timeless aesthetic, but it also had easy access storage and a large flat surface to display decorative items.
So I've used this as a dining room piece.
Okay.
Because of the felt lining, so you can do your silverware in there.
Genius.
And then you can also set up a little bar on top, which is beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna steal that idea. To show you that this dresser can evolve, I'm going to take it away from the bedroom set and prop it as 3 very functional pieces of furniture. I'm going to do a sideboard, a media unit, and an entrance console. But to achieve these setups, I'm going to need to do a lot more shopping. I'm going to need some lamps, some rugs, some art, side chairs, maybe a few pieces of furniture. This is how dining room chairs should always be on casters. Just roll to the fridge.
Yeah.
In smaller homes, there's often a lack of storage in the entrance. By using a dresser, you can maximize storage, but also keep it looking like proper furniture, which is perfect for open concept spaces. These drawers are great for stuffing away outdoor items or dog things like leashes, toys, poo bags. Is that what you wanted me to say? This is perfect for an entrance. So we have a lot of surface space to drop some newspapers, mail, a bowl for keys, a little bowl for change, you know, bubblegum money. And then the best part, the compartment drawer. Now you can take this out or leave it in, but this is perfect for an entrance. We've got gift cards in transit, we've got sunglasses, lip gloss, everything you need before you head out. And for all your outdoor gear, everyone can have their own drawer for their toques and their mitts, even the dog, right? The drawers are great for stuffing away outdoor items. You can add a couple of lamps and really maximize the use of this dresser. Now let's talk about the living room setup. A dresser can work wonders in a living room. This piece is elegant enough to look like a formal piece of furniture and is long enough to accommodate a television. The drawers are great to hide extra throws, photo albums, puzzles, games, but most importantly, your collection of remotes. A dresser can work perfectly as a media unit, and it offers so much storage for all those things you want out of sight. Games, you can finally keep all of those magazines you've been storing. And finally, let's tackle the dining room sideboard idea. Unlike a traditional buffet or sideboard, a dresser has easy access drawers that won't have you digging to the back of the unit for lost items. It's the perfect piece for extra dishes, linens, and let's not forget that velvet-lined drawer divider. Perfect for all your fancy bar tools. The top is the ideal height to create a small home bar and to hold a few decorative items. It's a great setup for someone who's finally bought a house with a formal dining room. A dresser is perfect to replace a sideboard or a buffet in a dining room because it has a lot of storage. And with drawers, everything's really easy access. Done. A well-made piece of furniture should be able to grow with you and move from room to room as your needs evolve. I think these setups prove that one well-chosen investment piece can really do the job, as well as all the pretty things around it, you know, lamps and flowers and tables, all the things.